Good morning, kids. How are you today? How are your parents, mommy and daddy? I hope you are not troubling them at home. Be good girls and good boys. I'm here again to teach you on mathematics. And our topic for today is two-dimensional shapes. Last week we discussed about fraction, and which we were meant to understand different parts of fractions. We have the quarter, we have the half, we have the 1/3, and so many of them. Today we are going to talk about shapes, and the shapes we are going to talk about today is two-dimensional shapes for preparatory class. Two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are flat shapes. They are flat shapes in nature. And examples of those shapes are circle, square, triangle, rectangle. These are their two-dimensional shapes. Now, we are going to see how they look like. A circle is smoothly rounded. It has no side. A circle is smoothly rounded. It has no side at all. Then let's look at the square. We have a square here. This is a square. A square has 4 sides. All sides are equal in length. We show equal sides by making them alike. Let's look at it and see if it is true. It has equal sides in length. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does a square has? 4. A square has 4 sides, and they are all equal. This side and this side, is it equal? Yes, it's equal. And the other side and this side, they are all looking equal. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. A square has how many sides? Good, I like that. Then let's go to triangle. The next one is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. The sides can be equal or not equal. Any shape that has 3 sides is just called a triangle. A triangle has only 3 sides, and they can be equal, they cannot be equal sometimes. Let's look and see. Can you see this side and this side is equal, and the other side too is a bit equal than the other with the other ones, and it's looking somehow like that. So any side that has any shape that has 3 sides is called triangle. It's called what? Triangle. Then let's go back to the last one, rectangle. This is a rectangle. It's looking like a square, but it's not a square. A rectangle has 4 sides also, but all sides are not equal. Only sides opposite each other are equal. A rectangle has 4 sides too. It has how many sides? 4. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sides are not equal. Only sides opposite each other are equal. Let's look at it. For example, we have these sides. This side and this side are equal, right? Then this side and this side, they are not equal. But when you look at the other side opposite, it's equal with this one. So a rectangle has 4 sides, but the sides are not equal. It's only the sides opposite each other that are equal. Look at it very well. They look alike with a square, and they have 4 sides, but they are different shapes. Let's go back again and look at them. This is a what? A circle. This is what? Cycle. Repeat after me. Good. The next one is a square. Say square. Square. Good. Triangle. Triangle. Good. Rectangle. Rectangle. Good. We can use shapes to create so many things. We use shapes to create so many things. For example, this is a car. Can you see it? What did I use in creating this truck? It's shapes. This is a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and these are cycles. Is it looking nice? So you can sit down and cut your shapes and create so many things with shapes. Shapes are so amazing to be with. You can use them for so many things. Now, these are examples of them again. We have a cycle. Can you see it? A big cycle. Great. This is a triangle. Good. This is a rectangle. And this is a square. They are not looking the same. You should always differentiate between a rectangle and a square. They all have 4 sides. You should differentiate them. In your home, you can sit down and check the shape of your dining table. How does it look like? Is it a square? Is it a rectangle? Or is a square? The shape of your bed, is it square, rectangle, and so on. Now, this is your home phone for today. You are going to draw the following shapes: a triangle, cycle, square, rectangle. Then the B part of it, you are going to cut shapes and form a house. Now we are going to do it together. I'm going to teach you how to form a house with shapes. First of all, this is a square. This is a what? Square. You put your gum on your white paper. Sorry. You put your gum on your white paper. Can you see it? Put your gum. Then you paste your square. You can put it like this. This is the square. Then the next shape is triangle. What shape is this? Good. This is a triangle. This is your triangle. Your triangle is going to be the roof of your house. You see? Can you see it? We are forming a house. Then the next shape is a rectangle. What is this shape? Rectangle. This is your rectangle. You put it. This is your door. Can you see it? Interesting. This is a square. What is this? A square. Our little window. We have 2 windows. You put one here. Then you put the second one. Wow, interesting. I love using shape to form a house. Then, now, we are going to, this is another shape. This is a cycle. What is the name of this shape? Cycle. Good. This is your staircase. You can make it your staircase. You can make it to be your entrance. Is it beautiful? Yes. Wow, I'm done. Does it look like a house? Yes, it looks like a house, a beautiful house. So, this is how you are going to form your house using different shapes. We have the triangle, the square, the rectangle, and the cycle. All the shapes are present here. So you form your house and send it to Mrs. Martha's WhatsApp number 08065349696. Thank you and God bless you all. I love you, my kids.